G'day guys, welcome to another Aussie off-road adventure. So this time I'm at Lake Mundurin doing a solo mission. See if I can catch a barra. So I've been to the campground, I've set up camp. Now I've rigged up all my lines and I'm on the dam for an afternoon's fish. It's now 3:30. Water temperature is about 26.3 degrees. Yeah, I'm just doing a bit of trialling. Just checking out a few spots. I think the lure that I got on this rod here playing up a little bit. It's got a real good swimming action. Anyway, guess we'll find out. Yeah, so my mission this weekend is to try and get that metery. So we'll give it a go. Should be good weather. Well, it's a new day. It's just after 7. Having a troll past the boat ramp. This is where I saw someone catch one yesterday. Just checking it out. Might go for a bit of an explore today. We'll head up the dam a bit.